everyone, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, welcome to All Things Burn. I appreciate you clicking on this video and checking this channel out. If you are a current subscriber, thank you so much for coming back by and checking out this video. I hope you all are doing well. I hope your families are doing well, and I hope you're living your best blessed life, you all. So you all, today I have a product from Peppermate. The good people at Peppermate Peppermill sent me over a Peppermate or Peppermill machine, you all. And we're gonna test it out, y'all, and see how it is. It came in a box like this. Yeah, just a little small box like this, y'all. And what was in my box was this Peppermate Peppermill and these Peppermate Peppercorns, y'all. I chose the 5 peppercorn blend. So you have a mixture of just like 5 different peppers, y'all. So, yeah, and this is premium fresh. And the package is pretty huge. I was expecting a smaller package, but this one is 12 ounces, y'all. So 12 ounces. So we're gonna get this open, y'all, and we're gonna try it out, see if I like it. I'm thinking this would be a great tool for the kitchen. I chose this color because this is my happy color. Yes, please. That real pretty teal blue or green. Actually it's a blue, teal blue. So, woo, it's so cute. So y'all, this has a lifetime warranty. So I just wanted to make sure I let you guys know that. This has a lifetime guarantee, and it also has a ceramic grinder, you guys. So, and then they have the little instructions for you to, you know, to work your machine and stuff like that. So I'm unboxing it, y'all. So this is going to be my first time using it. So we're going to remove the top, it says. So that was easy. Just remove the top. And then it says to pour in the peppercorns. And then you cover the adjustment knob. And so this little thing right here holds approximately 50 grams or 1.7 ounces of peppercorns. So we are going to put these peppercorns in here, y'all. Oh, I bet you it smells so good. I have the little fancy machine that you do the pepper with, y'all, but for cooking and measuring purposes, this would be great. So, woo, that's how they look, y'all. So we're gonna fill this bad boy up to about, let's see. Okay, we're gonna get a few of them in here. I might spill some, y'all, but it's okay. So I'm just filling mine up that much, y'all. And then we're going to grind it, see how well it works. I just want to close up this bag so these peppercorns don't be rolling all over the floor, y'all. So let me get this bag closed. Okay, so we're gonna put the cap back on. I'm gonna put the cap back on. Okay, and then we're going to grind it. Should come out right here, y'all. And then I'm gonna show it to you all on this paper plate so you guys can actually see it. And yeah, so let's see. Okay. Ooh, y'all see that? Let me put it in the thing. Y'all see the pepper coming down? Oh, wow. I'm trying to get about a teaspoonful. Okay, so that's how much is in there. Quite a bit, y'all. It's quite a bit. And so we're gonna take the bottom part off right here. I'm just doing it in a way where I won't spill it, y'all. Okay, actually came off pretty easy. So let me put it back and show you again. So I just really just pressed in right here and pulled it down. That was it, y'all. Oh my God. Who doesn't like fresh pepper, y'all? And then there they go, y'all. Wow. That is amazing. So it is very, very, very simple to use, y'all. Like really simple to use. And I still have some in there. I'm leaving it so when I get ready to cook and stuff, I can just grind my own fresh peppers and put it on top of my food or, you know, different recipes and stuff like that. But overall, this is a really nice little gadget to have in the kitchen. I've seen a lot of celebrity chefs use this exact same grinder, you all. So the fact that I have it in my kitchen now, yes please. So y'all, I'm gonna leave all of the information down below in my description box, you all, and the direct link to this Peppermate Peppermill, y'all. And the fact that it came with the peppercorns, that's a plus, y'all. That is a plus, y'all. So thank you to Peppermate for sending me over this Peppermate Peppergrinder. I'm really loving it. I'm really, really loving it. It's so easy to use. Like, a child can operate this, y'all, without getting their fingers hurt or anything like that, I believe. Now, don't quote me on that, but it's just so simple and so easy. I'm just going to turn a little bit more. So easy to turn. And then you have that fresh pepper down there, ready for your eggs, your grits, your mashed potatoes, your baked potato, whatever you want to put it on, y'all. So thank you, Peppermate. Thank you so much for sending this over. I absolutely love this little gadget. Peppermate Peppergrinder. It's awesome. So once again, thank you to Peppermate for sponsoring this video. Check my description box below for all of the different links that they have to this machine. And if they have coupons or whatever, that'll be down in the description box below as well. Thank you all for watching. Continue to enjoy the rest of your morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time it is that you're watching this video. Be kind to someone, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all. Love y'all.